Michelle here, and in this video I'm going to tell you what I think is the number one non-mindset related issue holding everyone back from their goals. It also stops people from feeling their very best day in and day out. It's a topic that gets me really fired up, so I hope you're ready. But before I tell you what it is, if you don't already know me, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle Vaughn, and I am the founder of Beyond Fitness, and I help busy people just like you who've tried numerous diet and exercise programs to finally achieve the body of their dreams and to live the life they deserve. Okay, so you ready for the number one roadblock that's stopping people from reaching their goals? FYI, this ranking is based on my years of experience, but there's plenty of science to back it up. The number one action that stops people from reaching their health and fitness goals is ultra processed foods. By that I mean frozen or prepared meals, instant noodles and soups, baked goods like pizza, cake, cookies, and packaged bread, processed cheese products, ice cream, and candy, breakfast cereals, chips, crackers, and other packaged snacks, processed meats, luncheon meats, sodas, and other sugary drinks. Quite a list, isn't it? See, a research study done just before the pandemic found that more than half of our daily calories come from these kind of foods. And experts think the number now is even higher because of how many of us changed our habits during the lockdowns. The main problem is that not only do these products contain less fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants than unprocessed foods, but they also contain unhealthy added sugar, fats, and salt. Plus, they're so tasty they make us want to eat more than we would if we were eating whole foods. It's specifically designed that way. They are designed to be craveable, so you end up eating more of that bad stuff. You might notice right after that you eat these foods, you feel bloated and blah. But that's just the start of it. One study found that eating processed foods was linked with more than 10% increase in heart disease and strokes, never mind diabetes and cancer. Another study found that eating more than 4 servings of these foods a day was directly linked with a higher rate of mortality. Plus, these foods are linked with gaining weight, which is linked with diabetes, heart disease, cancer, and a whole bunch of other health problems. Our body is amazing, and it deserves better than to be fed a diet of these junk foods. I hope this information reframes your thinking a little bit about processed foods. The fact is, it can take time and patience to retrain our taste buds, but it's definitely worth the effort if you want to live longer, and you and your body will be really glad that you did. If you're looking to take the next step in your health and wellness, then we're here to help. The Permanent Wellness Fix has helped dozens of people just like you live a healthier, more vibrant life and get into the best shape. If you want to know more, click on the link below. I'm happy to set up a free chat with you to see if it's the right fit for you. Have a great day.